Pretty girls walk like this, 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 this. Pretty girls walk like this.
Are you planning to visit Macau? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here are some tips before you go to visit Macau. Balak nyo ba pumunta sa Macau? I just want to share our itinerary one-day tour from Yaumate Exit A2. Just ride A21 City Flyer bus going to HZMB Port 34 HKD for adult. When we arrive at the immigration, just present HKID, then you buy a ticket for 65 HKD. You can pay Octopus card. After namin bumili ng ticket, sumakay na kami sa bus going to Macau Port. Ideally, umupo sa second deck front seat for taking videos and photos for overlooking view. Dahil first time namin pumunta sa Macau, na-amaze kami sa HZMB Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge is the bridge tunnel system and an undersea tunnel and world longest open sea crossing from Hong Kong, and it will take only 40 minutes to travel the distance of 42 kilometers from Hong Kong Port and Zhuhai and Macau Port. Arrive at Macau Immigration for checking. Pagkatapos, pwede na kayong mamili anong bus ang sasakyan nyo. 101X going to Parisian, Londoners, and Venetian. We take 102X to get down in Grand Lisboa for our first itinerary. Luckily, sobrang daming tao. Nagkataon yung pagpunta namin, it's Chinese holiday. Then second, we go to Saint Dominic, then Senado Square. They offer lots of free taste. Tiyak mabubusog ka at mapapabili ka ng pampasalubong. Depende sa budget mo. While walking, matatanaw mo na ang ruins of St. Paul. Hindi na kami lumapit sa church dahil sa sobrang daming tao. Lumipat na kami sa next destination. In our itinerary, we ride 21A bus, 6 mapit pamasahe and exact amount dahil hindi sila nagsusukli, so we will ride going to Londoners, Parisian, Venetian. Halos magkalapit lang sila lahat, kaya sinulit na namin ang one-day tour. Hindi kami makapag-overnight taking pictures and videos dahil may curfew ang day off namin. Kailangan naming umuwi. Pagbalik sa HZMB Port, just take 102X bus. Yan yung last stop ng bus. Pag nasa port na kayo, buy a ticket 65 HKD at daan muna sa immigration, at pagkadating nyo sa Hong Kong, same immigration for checking. After that, sa terminal bus, sasakay kung saan kayo uuwi. Hope nakatulong itong vlog ko for your plan to visit Macau soon. Thank you for watching!